In the recent Indore MBA student murder case, what disturbed people most was not only the brutality of the alleged crime, but the expression on the accused face. No visible fear, no visible urgency, no visible panic. And that forces us to ask a deeper question. Has the fear of law weakened in India? Let me clear it. For the fear, India has completely harsher and the stricter punishment, and under new criminal laws, it become more harsher and the stricter as compared to old laws. So the main issue is not law, the main issue is time. Okay, let's look at the history. Nirbhaya case. It takes almost 8 years when the accused hanged up and finally she got justice. Shraddha murder case. Unfortunately, the trial is still going on. So if accused after a lot of year procedural delays finally convicted and punished. So is this is a real justice from the parents' point of view? क्योंकि जिसकी बेटी थी वो तो चली ही गई. So as a part of this society and a part of this noble profession, what we can do? We need reform, not emotional but structural. And when a system is overloaded, delay becomes inevitable. Reform is not about blaming the judiciary. It's about empowering it.